Hi guys, it is Sunday, March 3rd, and this is the video of the week. Let's talk about last week briefly. So you guys turned in your annotated bibliographies, which were so good. I could really tell that you guys got a lot out of that process, and the products that you created were quite fine. So I appreciated that. So all of your grades are up to speed. If you guys have any questions, let me know. If you've got a question, most of you have A's. And then if you have a question about, where exactly you're at, or like what your potential grade for the course will be, let me know. Just as a reminder, I am teaching Writing 102 right after this course ends. So, and it's in the same format, the 8-week online. So let me know if you want help finding that particular course. Let's talk about this week. You guys have your rough draft of Essay 3 due tomorrow, and then your replies, your peer reviews on Tuesday. Wednesday, you're reading the module overview for Module 14. Thursday, you're doing a reflection. And on Friday, your final draft is due. So that's really fast, you guys. And this week, maybe even more than others, it would be important for you guys to get those rough drafts in quickly, so that I can reply to them in time for you to get them in by Friday. But as ever, if you need to turn it in on Saturday or Sunday, that will be fine as well. Friday also, you're going to do your reply posts on the reflection. So I'm curious, send me an email if you guys are going on spring break. Next week, the middle school where I teach goes on break. Pima does not go on break until I think the following week. So we just keep going. All right, hope you guys have a great week.